All right, so we're headed over to the mini barn. We're gonna check on Hershel. We're still sticking with Hershel. We haven't picked a new name for him yet, but we said on Instagram that it's always a rule when we take in a new animal and they start a new life, they get a new name, so it's like a whole new clean slate. So we definitely want to rename him, but we just can't decide what we want to do yet. But I'm headed over there now. He just decided to break his house. So I seriously undercalculated how strong a pig is. Structure I built for him lasted about 2 days. So we're gonna go back in. I have some brackets to put on and we're gonna rebuild his house, and hopefully it doesn't break as easily this time. I'm sure he'll find a way to break it again, but better than nothing. Bro, why are you so strong? Why are you so strong? What were they feeding you? What's up, Stinky? You say hi? Oh, you just flipped it. Your face is all wet. All right, so we'll fix that too. Okay, so there's the evidence. Are you proud of yourself? Happy with what you did? All right, so this was just a roof and a sidewall. This way he had all of his walls except for the front. So we'll have to rebuild this. I bought L brackets from Tractor Supply. So I'm going to use the L brackets to fasten the roof to the wall, and then fasten that side wall back to there and then to the roof, and hopefully it's a little bit more rigid. If that doesn't work, I'm gonna have to cut through these stall mats, dig down a 4x4 like what I did for this, and then there's no getting that one out, right? So I'm gonna clean up this mess and get building. Okay, it's done. I added some L brackets, like really thick L brackets in the corners, 2 here, 1 here, and then 1 back there. And then that brace across I added. So hopefully that'll do it. That's way sturdier than it was. I'll be really, really impressed if he breaks this anytime soon. And then for insulation, I guess we'll just stuff straw or hay through the pallets to kind of create some insulation from wind. But that's it. What are you doing? You eating? What'd you do to your water? Last but not least,